a hazardous business, and health and safety risks must be taken seriously. Operating in potentially harmful environments, welders are exposed to arc radiation, fumes, dust and noise. Protective equipment should always be used, avoiding both short and long-term health issues. Occupational lung diseases are the #1 cause of work-related illness in terms of frequency, severity and preventability. Most occupational lung diseases are caused by repeated long-term exposure, but even a severe single exposure to a hazardous agent can damage the lungs.
Welding fume is composed of elements dangerous to human health, and where unprotected, tiny fume particles can pass deep into the lung structure, causing a variety of health issues if exposed for lengthy periods, and may result in long-term illness and disease, including cancer. A single welder can produce 40 grams of airborne fume and particulate every working hour. Typically, we breathe 4,000 litres of air per 8-hour work shift, and therefore our lungs can be exposed to significant contamination for long periods. However, it is important to remember that hazardous materials only present a health hazard when they come into contact with your body. Hazardous materials can enter your body in 3 ways: ingestion through the mouth, absorption through the skin, eyes, inhalation through the lungs. Other than arc radiation, the most common exposure for welders is inhalation.
Kemppi FreshAir welding respirators provide the necessary protection for arc welding environments, plus ensuring all-day user comfort. Meeting tough safety standards, Kemppi respirators remove the limiting aspects of so-called negative pressure solutions, including disposable and reusable half masks, where breathing effort is increased and mask fitting is critical for adequate protection. Kemppi FreshAir respirators can be supplied with clean breathing air in 2 ways: by either a battery-powered air purification pack lasting up to 10 hours, a solution that provides total freedom of movement, or an airline supplied breathing air source, regulated through a Kemppi FreshAir regulation valve.
Respiratory protection for both air supply methods is designed around the overpressure principle. Filtered, fresh and clean air is supplied via a flexible hose set connected to the Kemppi FreshAir welding visor and channeled into the welder's breathing zone, where a safe breathing environment is created between the welder's face, visor and fabric face seal. The positive air pressure eliminates harmful airborne contamination and makes breathing effortless and comfortable. Plus, it reduces weld lens misting. You can choose from either the Beta 90 FreshAir or Delta 90 FreshAir respirator model. Each unit is supplied as standard with a dark glass DIN 11 welding lens, but either model can be fitted with Kemppi's ADF welding lens. The Beta 90 FreshAir unit is designed for both welding and grinding operations and features a multi-stage hatch set, whilst the Delta 90 system incorporates hard hat impact protection for use in heavy welding environments such as shipbuilding, mining and construction sites.
So, if you'd like to know more about Kemppi FreshAir welding respirators, would like a site demonstration or price offer, then contact your Kemppi dealer today. Details of Kemppi dealers and Kemppi's country-based sales offices can be found at www.kemppi.com.